In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Discord stuck on updating loop. So if your Discord application is stuck on updating loop, there are a few things that you can do in order to fix this problem. The first thing that you can do is make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Also make sure to disable the VPN and proxy. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If the Discord is still stuck, what you can do is simply kill all the Discord processes. For that, open the task manager. Click on the search icon. Now what you have to do is type in task manager over here and click on this option open. Now after you do that, you can see over here task manager will be opened. If you find the option for Discord over here, what you have to do is right click on it. Now after you do that, click on this option in task that you can see on the screen. After you do that, open the Discord application again. After that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try deleting the cache folder. For that, what you have to do is open the run. Click on the search icon, type in run. Now click on this option open that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here run has been opened. What you have to do is type in %app data %. Press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here this kind of windows will be opened. You'll be able to see various folders over here. Locate the folder for Discord. After you do that, simply click on it. Now click on this option delete that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the cache for the Discord will be deleted. After that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try running the Discord as administrator. For that, click on the search icon again. After you do that, search for Discord. Now what you have to do is click on this option run as administrator that you can see on the screen. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you have to do is uninstall the Discord and reinstall it. For that, click on the search bar again. Now after you do that, type in add or remove programs. Click on this option open. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is simply find the option for Discord and click on it. After you do that, click on the option uninstall. Right now I'm not going to uninstall the Discord. Now after you uninstall it, reinstall it. After that, launch it again and your problem should be solved. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Discord stuck on updating loop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.